this is Mo of Mo West Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to cut a t-shirt into a sleeveless shirt for girls. First thing you want to do is pick your t-shirt and lay it out smooth. Then you want to just go along where the seam is and cut off the sleeves on the outside of the seam. As you can see, there's this seam here. You want to cut along the outside of it. Close to it as possible without cutting any of the threads, and then it will completely retain the integrity of the shirt before you cut it. Only it'll be perfect for summer. You just want to do that same thing on both sides, cutting as close as you can to the seam without cutting any of the threads. And there you have it, how to cut a t-shirt into a sleeveless shirt for girls. This has been Mo of Mo West Creations. Ciao!